morning I went to Discount Steel, which is another one of my favorite places. They just have tons of metal and scrap and all sorts of awesome things, which means potential for all sorts of projects. I really like going there because they are always super friendly and helpful, and it's not what I would expect it to be. I would actually expect it to be I don't know, a bunch of dirty, grubby men that, I don't know, but it's actually a bunch of women that work there, and they're always really helpful and knowledgeable. So my plan today is to start building our roll cage, sort of, where we cut the roof off. We lost some support, so we're going to build that in and also have a place to mount the back window. So I bought some square tubing for to cut and weld, and it was just able to fit it in the truck. It's 12 feet long, so should be enough for our needs. So here we go.